introduce you to my new coffee grinder. Of course, we'll grind coffee right away. Why it had to be just this coffee grinder? You will find out immediately. First, we will unpack our new coffee grinder quickly. A manual is of course included. The big difference with the coffee grinders is a grinder. They are impact grinders, disc grinders and conical grinders. The conical grinder is by among the experts a conical grinder. The Stelio edition has a disc grinder, but the disc grinder in the Stelio edition is really good. I have tested many coffee grinders. The Stelio edition is my buy recommendation. The coffee grinder is inexpensive, high quality, and the disc grinder has a 17-stage grind, 110 watts of power. Mouse a bean container for 117 grams of coffee. Enough talk. Now we will grind our coffee. If you are still looking for a nice coffee recipe, here in this video you will find the best coffee recipes from all over the world. Yes, what can I say? Even the stainless steel case is impressive. If you are looking for a good coffee grinder, then I can only recommend the Stelio edition. You can find a link in the article description. Of course, you always get the mega price on Amazon.